friends, welcome back to Word Extend. My name is Pihika and today I am going to share 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words will help you improve your vocabulary and sound more confident when you speak English. So let's get started. The first word is synthesize. Scientists can synthesize new compounds in the laboratory. Synonyms: combine, interrogate. Antonyms: separate, divide. The next word is articulate. Sentence: she was able to articulate her ideas clearly during the interview. Synonyms: express, communicate. Antonyms: mumble, confuse. The next word is cultivate. Sentence: farmers cultivate crops to ensure a good harvest. Synonyms: develop, nurture. Antonyms: neglect, abandon. The next word is resilient. Sentence: the resilient community rebuilt after the natural disaster. Synonyms: strong, flexible. Antonyms: fragile, weak. The next word is collaborate. Sentence: teams must collaborate effectively to achieve project goals. Synonyms: cooperate, partner. Antonyms: complete, oppose. The next word is sustainable. Sentence: we need to sustainable practices to protect our environment. Synonyms: renewable, valuable. Antonyms: wasteful, unsustainable. The next word is innovate. Sentence: companies must innovate to stay competitive in the markets. Synonyms: create, pioneer. Antonyms: imitate, copy. The next word is demonstrate. Sentence: the teacher will demonstrate the experiment to the class. Synonyms: show, illustrate. Antonyms: hide, conceal. The next word is prioritize. Sentence: you should prioritize urgent tasks before less important ones. Synonyms: rank, organize. Antonyms: neglect, discreet. The next word is accelerate. Sentence: technology can accelerate the pace of scientific discovery. Synonyms: speed up, hasten. Antonyms: slow down, delay. Thank you for learning. Great job! You have learned 10 new English words with its synonyms, antonyms and sentences. Try using these words in your daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily English lessons. Tip word of the day: articulate. Your challenge: share your own sentence using today's words in the comment below. Comment a word you learned recently. Like if you found this helpful. Subscribe the daily vocabulary. Share with friends learning English. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow with 10 more English words.